G'day traders. Today talking about why aren't you making money as a trader. The last week and a half I've received a lot of emails and messages regarding some of the struggles traders have had. Again, we're going to talk about a couple of things. So the first person probably that this video is not going to deal with is somebody who's just started trading. I'm talking to the traders out there who are experienced, who many of them have traded some large accounts already. I've talked to a few of them that have been up over $1 million and lost it, and several traders who have built their accounts up from next to nothing into several hundred thousand and lost it, still struggling to stay consistent, still struggling to get through that barrier where it's, I suppose their full-time profession and generating 6-7 figures a year. It is an ongoing journey, and you have to work on yourself. The question I have for myself is, I've done all those things. I've built up accounts to massive accounts, blown them up, done it again. And eventually you can only go back to the well so many times before the well runs dry psychologically, unless you're resilient enough and you have the reserves to keep coming back. But you can have one simple strategy. I talk about this. You could use an EMA crossover and know exactly when to use it and just walk away taking one trade or two trades, a session, a day, whatever that may be, and walking away. The problem is it's all the other things that we do. We go back for more, we get greedy, we over leverage, we don't use stops, we trade outside of our trading plan. We don't follow the routine, the process. I'm very strict about that first hour. That's it. I'm looking at that first hour. And sometimes the trade is the second hour. But I'm there for 1 hour for that trade, and that's it. I have to be patient sometimes and wait. But I know I have had some absolutely horrific experiences. And the thing that I ask myself every single day is, how do I want to wake up feeling tomorrow? Where do I want to be in 24 hours from today? And so it's very easy sometimes to just, size down on simple trades. I'm only looking for sizing up on level 3 when the daily charts set that up for me. And the other level 3 trades that come out of those are usually scalps. They can be reversals. And again, size-wise, it's a size that I'm comfortable with, and my max loss for the day is going to be controlled. Because I already know, and outside of that trade, that first trade, I shut it down. My friends all know that. I got friends that sit there and they want to hang around and look for the reversal and this and that, and it's like, there's a couple of things to think about. You can be a technical analyst and you can analyze charts. And in 12 months you'll still be analyzing charts and setups. If you're day trading and you're looking to extract an income out of the market, I have to seriously suggest that you have to understand the power of having setups and then walking away, executing the trade, managing your risk, squeezing the maximum amount out of a winning trade as possible, shutting it down and walking away. It's all the other things that you will do. You can be a great technical analyst, and that's fantastic. But the likelihood of you earning an income on a consistent basis is going to be small. I'll be dead on. I don't know a lot of technical analysts that actually extract a large income out of the market. But I know several traders who have setups who go there, and some guys like to trade all day long. And there's other people who I know, they do the same thing. They hit their trades and they're gone. And then there's ones where they know they're going to size in. There's certain days, there's certain opportunities. They're going to be there longer. They're going to size in. They're going to take money out. They're going to re-enter that move because it's not coming back. So these are all the things that you need to decide for yourself. Where do you want to be in 12 months? I'm talking to the traders out there who know who you are. We've talked, we've messaged. You're trading bigger size than me, some of you. But you go back and repeat some of the same mental errors. And I encourage you to go back to traders that have been trading long enough and who have done all these mistakes. When you reread Mark Douglas's information, you realize where the work really needs to be done. It's on your mindset, it's on your discipline. The real discipline is being able to stick to some simple setups, execute them, manage your risk, take profits, and walk away. because otherwise you're gonna be, again, you're gonna go back, you're gonna keep trading greed, you're gonna give back all the profits that you've made, and that's gonna be a recurring cycle, and you're gonna continuously go back and forth, and you're gonna build it up again, and then greed will kick in at some point, or you'll be on the screen taking more trades, and then bang, next thing you know, you've blown your account out again. So have a real deep think about where you want to be next week, next month, 6 months, 12 months down the road. Because some of you already have, as I said, built up to where you could be generating 7 figures a year. And so it's a decision that you have to make now, and that I had to make. And it's sometimes the hardest thing. It's a daily battle to not go and engage in impulsive, irrational, emotional behavior. Because the opportunity is there. The markets are there every single day. They give you the opportunity to move. I've not seen a day between gold, NASDAQ, and oil and the majors. There's been not one day where there hasn't been one great trade every single day. And I know there's gurus out there and everything else. They've got all these concepts and this and that. Pick some setups. Pick an hour a day. Stick to it. Master your setups. Stick to the discipline of controlling your risk, managing your size on those trades, take profits, have an actionable review process. What did you do well? What could you have done better? What are you going to do better on the next trade? Go back each day, being completely in charge of your domain mentally, financially. Win this game. You are the only thing standing in your way from achieving the results that you want, and that's the hardest battle sometimes to overcome. So hopefully you got value from today's video, traders. You can become a 7-figure trader, but you have to look in the mirror. Now again, these are the people who are already trading. You got an edge, you know how to trade it, and the rest is you interfering with that trading edge reaching its full potential. Make this your best week ever, and may the markets go with you.